How to unlock MyGov account. So, for reasons on why your MyGov account might be locked, it could be because of multiple failed login attempts, from entering the wrong password too many times, security reasons like unusual activity or suspected hacking, account inactivity, sometimes accounts get temporarily disabled if not used for a long time, and pending verification like missing documents or email or mobile verification steps. So to unlock it, just go ahead directly into the MyGov login page or in your app, then just go ahead and press on continue. So if you did fail to log in via getting the password wrong too many times, you can always just go for the forget pin. But to do that, you're gonna have to sign into your MyGov account. So just go to the app setup, then press on the sign in button. Once you do that, it will lead you to your preferred browser, and you're gonna have to sign in either your digital ID or your MyGov sign in details. Then just go ahead and put in your username or email, then put in your password. If you don't know your password, or maybe this is the reason why your account got locked, then just go ahead and press on the forgot password option. This will allow you to get a code from either your SMS or email. So whichever you choose, just go ahead and get the code by whichever you chose. Then once you get that code, put it in the verification box. Once you press on next, then you'll be able to change your password to a new one or to your preferred one. Then the next time you log in, you can go ahead and use that password for your new login. But that's pretty much how you can unlock your MyGov account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.